I had a fantastic discussion with one of our clients last week who is part of a technology company here in the UK that has been using Kolleno for, I think now maybe 5-6 months. And they were just communicating some of the value that the team was receiving from the system. They highlighted that the Kolleno white label email solution was working really well for them. They said that the automation was saving them a lot of time, but more so that none of the emails were going to spam or junk, and they're actually being delivered to the correct person. And they were able to send out, a lot of emails to their clients and chase up, not just for invoices that were overdue, but for invoices that are coming up to be due. And it reduced the invoice to cash cycle. That time was reduced drastically by just chasing up and being able to give their clients gentle reminders ahead of time that the invoices are due soon. So that was really awesome. The next, which I slightly mentioned, was able to identify the right contact person in no time. So they can reach out and make sure that they've connected to the right person, because they'll receive a response back, either mail delivery or, oh, this is the incorrect team, and it's all in one area where they can just add the new contact and keep sending off communications, which is great. And then the last piece they said was really providing a lot of value was they're receiving a lot more payments and faster payments with the Kolleno customer portal. The customer portal is great because it provides an area where their clients can see all their outstanding invoices. They can download a statement, they can select the invoices they'd like to pay, they can even amend the amount they'd like to pay, and they can do this all from their phone or laptop, computer, and pay with bank, transfer, card, all in one place. So they said those three pieces were providing a lot of value to them, and it was really great to hear.